Hello and welcome to our next Innovaphone myApps tutorial. In this video, we will introduce the function application sharing and show how to share your screen with the myApps version 13.2. This is one component of the phone app and the Softphone app. With application sharing, everybody can share select contents from the device with the people they are talking to. This is very easy and the contents will be transferred in real time. The function is available for incoming and outbound calls, also when you are making a conference call. The contents will always be shared with all the participants of a conference. If you would like to share contents with others, please select Share Screen below the video image of the current call. Once you click onto this button, the selection of applications that you can share with others will pop up. If you select Desktop, you can share your entire screen with others. This selection is always available. If other applications are running on your device, these will also appear on the selection list. These can be released individually. In this case, the other person will only be able to view the applications that have previously been selected. Shared applications will be displayed to the recipient instead of the video image. By undocking the image from the myApps frame, the contents will be displayed in a separate window. The user can then reposition and resize the window as desired. You can hide your own video image by clicking onto the two arrows at the edge of your video image and vice versa have it inserted again. Once you close the window, it will be docked back into the client. In order to stop application sharing, click once more on Share Screen. The person or persons you are talking to will now see your video image again. When the call is terminated, application sharing will also stop automatically and your screen will no longer be shared with others. Many thanks for watching and see you again next time.